The K-Mini Brewer from Keurig makes it easy to enjoy your favorite beverages at the touch of a button. Our smallest brewer is perfect for small spaces, and its portable design allows it to go anywhere. The K-Mini Brewer delivers fresh brewed coffee in under 2 minutes. Simply add water each time to brew your perfect amount. Auto Off turns the brewer off automatically 90 seconds after the last brew, helping to save energy. The drip tray holds a full accidental 10-ounce brew for easy cleanup. On the go? Simply remove the drip tray to accommodate a travel mug and easily store the cord for ultimate portability. Using the K-Mini Brewer is simple and convenient. Just power on your brewer, add water, pop in your favorite K-Cup pod and press the brew button to enjoy a perfect brew every time.